ഞാൻ ഇരിക്കുന്ന സ്റ്റൈൽ കൊള്ളൂല്ലോ, ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കണോ? അപ്പോൾ എന്നെ വിളിച്ചു
ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞങ്ങ് പോയനെ.
ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിക്ക്.
ചോദിക്ക്.
ഒന്നും കൂടെ ചോദിക്കാമോ?
How did you guys meet? We first met in 2013.
We were two young teenagers and I think I just saw her when I was walking down the street and I just saw this girl and I'm like, she's very cute. I tried to talk to her but then she didn't pay any mind to me. She's like, who is this random guy trying to talk to me? So I thought, you know what, I will not give up. But then I tried to approach her again and then
Don't know when the random boy became a part of my life.
Somehow we started talking.
He was the person to say, ask me first. And that was exciting. And then I did too. So yeah, it was him.
Yeah, we kind of clicked. So this was what, 13 years ago?
It was easier, I feel like, growing up together.
There were a lot of ups and downs.
We learned a lot about each other. And we have quite a few pictures which I think we can now put them up as like a 10-year challenge from our wedding. First photograph is from 2014. We look very different from those pictures. We have few pictures from 2016 and few pictures from 2017 that would actually show how beautiful as a couple we look now. So when we started planning about our wedding, we made sure we need to have a first look. It should be a big surprise for each other. And that moment when we reached the church, I saw him standing there and I was there wearing my gown. I walked behind him.
Yaar, guys, relax. Yaar, I'm excited.
Hello. I couldn't stop smiling. I had the butterflies in my tummy. It just felt like a dream come true. It did feel like that the teenager in me is really happy that I'm with the guy who once I dreamed I want to be with.
बाल में लगा ले
इधर आ जाना। इത്ര ആൾക്കാർ എടി എൻ്റെ മുടിയൊക്കെ നേരെ ഇളക്കുവാണോ?
भैया बाहर ये वो वीडियो ले रहे हैं, फोटोग्राफर के साथ है हम लोग। We'll all say something.
ഇനിയും പറയണോ? ഇനി എന്താ പറയുക? കഥാപ്രസംഗം.
Do we reverse? Do we just like?
I don't know.
What do we do?
I don't know.
बोलना है अभिषेक और आन के बारे में।
भैया 1 2 3 बोलो ना।
आ रहा है, सही है। बोलो।
स्टार्ट। हेलो हेलो, आवाज आ रही है?
चेक 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 चेक
चेक चेक सुनाई दे रहा है आपको?
हेलो हाय। For a time.
I don't know what else to say because
हमारे पास और
you
कुछ
know
बोलने को नहीं है
everything.
अभिषेक because you already know what
Yeah,
we
bro.
all want to say. It's
Yeah.
emotion.
बिग पुच्ची
Big pucci, गीली पुच्ची bro दोनों को। Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Abhishek.
Firstly, congratulations Anne and Abhishek bhaiya.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
And I'm really happy that she found her man.
After your wedding, congratulations, man, for the new day.
Yeah.
And Anne as well.
We didn't expect our parents would agree. Somehow everything worked out and here we are at this moment. Then finally we're reaching this stage that we finally could say that I do.
We finally got a chance to say I do.
Abhishek, will you take this woman to be your wedded wife? Will you take this man to be your wedded husband? To live together.
I, Abhishek, take you and Mary Jacob from this way forward to be my lawfully wedded wife.
I and Mary Jacob take you, Abhishek Illuman, from this day forward to be my lawfully wedded husband. At this time, they are going to exchange Bibles. Now, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Abhishek L. Uman.
When I was standing at that altar, and I can't believe that this is really happening. So I was just looking at her eyes, and she was looking at me. Her eyes were all watery, and I'm like, oh my God, this is really happening. That after 13 years, our dream has come true.
It's a new milestone and I'm really happy about it. It has been the most exciting moment of my life.
I still remember that she used to say, if I will ever get married, it will be to you. What we promised back then, so many years ago, still stands firm, and we actually, did it. I still remember one funny thing that she said, that when we are 30, if both of us are not married,
We'll get married to each other.
and then I asked her, you know what, I'll become 30 first. So should I wait 2 years for you or something like that? And she's like, don't be stupid.
The God had different plans for us. We got married to each other way before hitting 30. Like we'll get to grow older together, and that seems like a very exciting part of this journey, and I'm really happy about it.
They're like perfect and made for each other. They balance each other very well. So I wish them all the best, and I'm so happy for them.
I'm so happy कि आज वो लोग एक हो गए हैं and मैंने actually उन लोगों को साथ में जीते हुए देखा है and I'm so glad they're together.
Who is more emotional? Who apologizes first after a small fight? What is the one quality you admire about your partner?
Vibe.
Victor? Many congratulations to you, Bhai and Ann Bhabhi. We really want to welcome you to our family. And talking about Abhishek Bhaiya, he's very cool, you know it. And he's actually really caring and loving too. And you'll really have a good life with him. And may God bless you both.
All the very best and a really happy married life to you both and Abhishek Bhaiya. Thank you.
I've learned a lot from her in terms of, the kind of person I need to be, while how I need to take care of another person. So yeah, I think Abhishek is lucky here. Abhishek is the lucky one here. We don't know about
Congratulations to you.
Yeah, congratulations.
Getting the deal.
Yes, you are. And you better take care of it. Or her.
Yeah, we wish you all the very best for your next adventure, guys.
Yeah.
Congrats अब दोनों को खुशी से रहना, खूबसूरती से रहना, बस वही है. अभिषेक भैया लाखों में एक है, वो हमको भी पता है, आपको भी पता है, चल जाएगा. और मैंने रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. Thank you, bye.
So yeah, happy married life, bro. See you soon. Outside this.
Like a treasure, we're hopeless minds.
The one thing I like most about Abhishek, he's very gentle. He's a calm person. He knows how to handle when I'm impatient.
And she always knows how to speak and cheer somebody up, and she's very understanding and kind, which if I am upset or I'm down, she knows what to say. So that is another quality which I really admire.
One of his qualities that genuinely makes us perfect for each other